Hi everyone, now we are going to learn about Scopus. Explore Scopus. First, we will be in the documents how to search the title to various ways, like by words, by abstract, by article title, by ISSN, so UI number. First, I will do some key 2009 document. Find the left where is open. Learn more. Goal open it like from the journal. Will decide that all the articles published from that journal is an open. Hybrid is that the authors will have having an option that they can for open access or limited access. So bronze is also similar, like published version of record or manuscript for publication. Publisher has chosen provide temporary permanent fee. The publishers will, so some articles will be more good than other. For example, some publishers they choose the literature review article to be a open access because so many can access that, and journal the publishers will get like more citation. Green is the published version or accepted for public available at repository. Four options and all openness options were also there. Here you can based upon the authors, based upon this keyword, all the experts early away from various processes you can. So similar way, when you are searching some keywords relevant to your discipline, so you can find the experts in your area, subject area where they are working on the keywords. Various applications will be there. This MR dumper, the application where in automobiles, materials, various applications are there. Document type whether or review, two article, chapters, then source title. See, other than this, art materials and stuff, journal many publish article to journals so that you can easily identify. Okay, you are also doing some research work, so if you want to publish that research article in some ACI indexed, ACIE indexed, so that you can focus and you can go through these journals also. Art materials, Journal of Intelligent Materials. See, why this post title is more normally many researchers they don't want to publish their article in these titles. They want to publish their article in common like some Journal of Engineering Technology, Journal of some multidisciplinary and something like that. Or for an example, I'm sharing. So when you are your articles specific, the experts were publishing in these journals. So you have to also try to submit your article to these journals and get comments, review comments from this journal. If it is accepted or rejected, that is the next part. Try to submit and publish your article in these journals. Keywords for the top keyword, their affiliation. So that if you are writing a future, completing your PhD program, and currently maybe you want to go for some funding. So these are all the funding agents. They provide want to do research in this. Then, for example, here Then click sort by like date new. So now it is in like 7 to. And now I want to download this article or I want to save this to tool like any library. Click all. Bottom there will be no. Here it is like how many thing you want to display, like whether 200 or 100 or 50. I have clicked the maximum. Then export to BibTeX. Here there are various options: library, IS format, Excel sheet. Only if you want the author ID, document title, this can. You want the bibliography information also, that they are from which publishers they belong to. If you want the abstract keywords details, every funding will be having the sponsors, the funders, any other information. In you don't want in any other citation referencing to, and just you want an Excel sheet, just click Excel and click export, will be done. So here you can see CSV will take the first 2000 documents. Here and export it will be. Then one more option is download. Download. Need an extension to get these. Print option. Select a document. The first 200 documents. If you want to print that to the first 200, you can. And if you want to email the select document. If you want to just have a PDF of first 200 documents, so relevant to this, yeah, if you want some patents, the 7170 pages, find nearly 1006 documents. Based upon your research work, obviously you can find any research, you can find some keywords. Based upon the keywords, you can search only like single keywords. You can use various multiple keywords for searching relevant articles. Now I'm going to search my title. Just have pasted title of another information document, GUI numbers, all the authors, all the information. Similarly, we click this option, click query number, the object type. One more way is ISS. ISSN number is for the journals. Here is like if I know the year article when it is published, I can click that and I can just go to this author options. All choose the then one more option is to funding you can search it. When you search the funding number, not able to find only that article alone, you'll be finding other articles or all the other journals also funding acknowledgement were provided. You can easily say that okay, they were able to publish nearly 11. There are many options: abstract, affiliation. To this top various title, journal name, author, Daniels, then like choose the various because country they the first name, last name happens, but you need to add this information in this that because your articles will become to your profile perfect. When you are submitting your article to some of the reputed journals, you are adding the ORCID ID, you don't have much uses, like automatically it will be added to your documents. Want to search their profiles, their article, what are the area currently they are doing research. what are all their recent publications. You can go through this author options and about affiliations. You can see the few details and many number of publication they have chosen. Various here they are having various application here. They are collaborating document by source, journals, a document similar to any institute. Below there is an search history. I'm adding this last search option that says saved search can find. That is future just these informations will be like easier for me to find the profile, whatever I am searched article. You can add that article details, or while I am searching to some keywords to some key, there may be like first 200 articles, all those 200 articles, whatever I am searching, can add it, or some more relevant to my research. Such articles alone I can add it to this. There are some of the basic information about how to explore document, authors information, or you can citations, how to save your search